Hey, what's up guys? Josh here, and this is the Manfrotto 635 fast single leg tripod. And when they say fast, they mean really fast. Now, on a normal twist lock tripod, you'll have a twist lock component for each section, but with the 635, the twist lock is its own section. Twisting this section simultaneously unlocks the top and bottom sections, cutting the amount of setup time considerably. And to see just how fast I could set this up, I got out my old 3-section lever lock tripod and compared them side by side. That is a pretty big difference. So the tripod comes as a 75mm half ball, but it is compatible with the 60mm half ball adapter. The 635's legs have angle adjustments at 20, 50, and 70 degrees, so you can get nice and close to the ground if need be. And if you're thinking, oh, well, I actually need a tripod with a spreader, this is actually compatible with Manfrotto's 2-in-1 tripod spreader, which is sold separately for $99.99. The max height on this thing is 61 inches and the legs are pretty robust. Even so, with its carbon fiber construction, the tripod itself weighs in at only 7.72 pounds and can handle payloads up to a whopping 44 pounds. Now, I didn't put anything over 10 pounds on it during my tests, but this thing wasn't going anywhere. It was incredibly solid. So the 635 has both rubber and spike feet. If you're familiar with Manfrotto's Pro tripods, the rubber foot just pops over and off like so, and now you have spikes to plant firmly in the ground. The tripod features EasyLink friction arm attachments, compatible with Manfrotto anti-rotation and ARRI anti-twist pins. That just means you can attach an external monitor or another accessory without worrying about the arm rotating while in use. So those are the features, but what did I think of it? Well, at first, I wasn't quite sure. See, because all of the sections are free at once, it initially felt a little clunky. And something else you have to get used to if you're not coming from a twist lock tripod is finding the sweet spot where you twist the mechanism just enough to unlock it, but also so you don't have to twist it far to lock it back. Now, after using it a handful of times, I can safely say the clunkiness was just my inexperience, and now I really like having a system that takes a fraction of the time to set up as my old single leg lever lock. But quick disclaimer, this is only on loan to me, so there's that. As far as price goes, the 635 comes in at $749.99, which for a carbon fiber tripod with such a unique twist lock feature and a 75mm half ball dish is really reasonable. You can also get it as a kit with various heads, like the new Nitrotech 608 and 612 heads, which I highly recommend. I actually talk about the 612 in another video, so look out for that. As always, I'll put a link to the product in the description. Anytime you purchase through one of my affiliate links, you help support the channel. And if you enjoyed this video or found it useful in any way, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any of my future reviews or tutorials. You can also check me out on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.